Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Guy Orko, and this is me, your friend Orko Provokor. And today I am back with a new video. And in this video I am talking about the human exploration on Mars. As we all know that human exploration on Mars has been a very expensive and a risky subject for all scientists and as well as space explorers. So it has been a banned project as because it will be a risky topic for humans as well as the scientists also, and it can also take up lots of lives of humans. But nowadays, as the technology has advanced very much and the scientists and new space organizations have come up with new ideas to send humans to mission Mars and so on, so we can only say that the fact of sending humans to Mars is a matter of time in the future. So before starting this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel Trendy Guy Orko, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified for more video updates. In this video we will see about the Mars mission and also the humans and also the project estimations and costs, and will it be a successful mission in the future. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
Youngest person to be accepted and graduated and to the Advanced Fosum Academy, officially making her certified to go to the space, and an astronaut trainee. The mission in which Alisa is set for is a part of the effort to establish a human colony on Mars that could one day save our species. In 2008, Bert Carson, her father, enrolled her in the US space camp. Humans have been a tendency to achieve the settlement of the Mars, which has been the next giant leap of humankind. Exploring the solar system as a united humanity will bring us all closer together. Human settlement on Mars will aid our understanding of the origins of solar system, the origins of the life, and our place in the universe. As with the Apollo moon landings, a human mission to Mars will inspire generations after generations to believe that all the things are possible. On March 21st, President Trump issued a mandate for NASA getting for people ready to the Mars by 2033. 1 week later, NASA reported with its most detailed plan to reach the red planet and its details along with the 5 phases along the road to Mars. We are in phase 0 now. So before starting, let's watch a video. After the phase 0, the phase 1 will span from 2018 to 2025, including the launch and the testing of 6 SLS rockets. These rockets will be delivered to the components of the Deep Space Gateway, a new space station to be built near the moon to serve astronauts en route to Mars. After that, phase 2 will launch the Deep Space Transport tube towards the lunar station in 2027, and in 2028 or 2029, astronauts will inhabit the tube for more than 400 days. In 2030, phase 3 will see the DST restocked with the supplies, and the Mars crew via SLS rocket. Phase 4, of course, will be the trip itself in 2033. That means we are just a scant of 16 years away from reaching the goal that has eluded every generation that came before us. The candidates who have been training since 2017 participated in the first public graduation ceremony for the astronauts of the Pride Day at the American Space Agency's Johnson Space Center in Houston. The group includes 6 women and 7 men. 2 of them were the Canadian Space Agency astronauts, and all were chosen for a record-setting pool of more than 18,000 applicants. NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine said, "These individuals represent the best of America, and what an incredible for them to join our astronaut corps." Some of them are Kayla Barron, Zena Cardman, Raja Cherry, Matthew Dominic, Warren Hoburg, Dr. Johnny Kim, Jennifer Sider-Gibbons, Joshua Kutrick, Jeshia Will Watkins, Dr. Francisco Rubio, Laurel O'Hara, Jasmine Mogbelli. The future evolvement of the project, including the human colonization, is right now a big question, as because the astronauts are in their beginners phase and the spaceships need a lot of upgradations, and still a lot of discoveries are left. NASA is tend to send the first woman and the next man to the surface of the moon by 2024 in the Artemis mission, which the plans for additional lunar missions, and once together a human exploration of the Mars is targeted for the mid-2030s. Now the question is that Elon Musk has been sending a large number of projects, including the Jupiter and the Saturn project also, which will include a human spacecraft, including a flight which will be en route from Mars to Jupiter. And the spaceship from the SpaceX company Battle Alita has been also prepared for the human manned mission to the Mars. The space agencies can also verify the route for the Mars in the near future to make it successful, and that will be possible for the humans to do when settling on the Mars with terragenesis and terraforming the life habitations present on the Mars.
So hope you have watched this video and you have liked this video very much. So again, I am saying please subscribe to my channel and stay notified for more video updates. And yes, I will be back with a new video next time. Till now, stay tuned and goodbye.